Hi, I'm Sheetal. I'm the founder for Colloquial Chocolates.
Hi everybody, I'm Anshi Saxena and I'm the co-founder for Colloquial Chocolates.
Chocolate, it's been an expression of love, happiness, feelings and memories. Chocolate was always a part of, our growing up. It's been with everybody. The real love for exploring craft chocolate just kind of began 5 years back when I actually had a first craft chocolate and I understood what craft chocolate really is all about.
Currently, if you ask me, for me, chocolate is all about colloquial. Everywhere I go, I want to carry my bars with me. Chocolate is something that can also be your travel partner when you're traveling solo. And because chocolate, as scientifically proven, makes you happy. So it enhances your mood and I think that works out for me every time.
Colloquial happened because of inquisitiveness, honestly. I went to Vietnam and that's where I discovered, the passion for dark chocolates, the craft chocolate world. 2 years down the line, after doing a lot of research, making chocolate bars ourselves, visiting Paris, the chocolate festival. So 2 years of all that really led to Colloquial. The craft chocolate segment is still very new in India, I would say. It's still at a very nascent stage. The awareness is there and that's why people are more opting for craft chocolate makers because they do understand that the craft chocolate is healthy and that's real chocolate and it's also different and it's an experience when you eat a chocolate bar. But as for the skills is concerned, I would give full credit to the lockdown. Instagram came, really handy. I follow a lot of pages and thankfully a lot of craft chocolate makers I got in touch with who were also very helpful. That's how the journey started. And then I think within 2.5-3 months we were able to make a good bar. The emphasis has always been on a good quality bean which enhances the flavor profiles by roasting at a right temperature, and also we don't like acidity in our bar, so we also focus a lot on reducing the acidity. The best chocolate, the answer is very difficult, right?
Because every craft chocolate is unique.
Yeah.
Every craft chocolate has a very, very different flavor. When people say that which is the best chocolate that you have had, every craft chocolate in the market
absolutely
is the best.
Yeah, but just to name a few, of course, when we talk about India, I have a lot of respect for Mason & Co. Manoa again, amazing chocolate maker from Hawaii. Dandelion is again a very nice chocolate maker from California.